Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. This morning we have some lovely things to show you and some things we're excited about getting ready for Christmas. So let's just jump into it. First off, we are still doing our pillowcase drive that we're doing with Morningstar Boys Branch. We're accepting pillows for the boys between ages of 6 and 14. So if you have any extra pillowcases or extra fabric and you want to make a pillowcase to donate to them, that's fantastic. We're also just accepting pillowcases for some of the families in the Spokane area. That's not gender age restricted. So if you have, any other pillowcases that you'd be willing to donate. We've got a nice basket full, but we, are accepting as many as we can so we can spread as much joy as possible. So yeah, we've got those right here. You can just come on in and toss them in the basket here. So yeah, we're excited that we are getting more and more. But like I said, we would love to have anyone donate if possible. So that is the first thing this morning. We are also today starting our gift card sale. So it's if you buy $100, for every $100 you buy, you get an extra $20 gift card, and that goes up to $500. So if you come in and you want to, I know there are a lot of people who come in to buy that for Christmas presents. That is starting today. So give us a call, or you can buy them online, or you can come in and buy one. But yeah, they make great Christmas gifts for any quilting, sewing person in your life. So definitely think about that because it's a great deal that we do here. And speaking of Christmas, all of our Christmas panels are going to be 30% off. So starting today, you can come in and if there are any Christmas panels that you are have been maybe eyeing and wanting to do something with, you can come by and grab any of the Christmas panels up front here. We've also got this lovely sample that just came back from Kathy. She just whipped this one up. It is a free pattern, I believe, and she used the Christmas Squad fabric by Free Spirit. So these adorable little winter animals. And she even fussy cut some of the little guys out here for the corners, which is pretty adorable. And yeah, any of the panels that we have up front here will be 30% off. So we'll come right over here. Got more cute Christmas panels. Okay, so we were very, very excited that yesterday we got in a restock of the Tula Pink Moon Garden line. So this one is the Kabloom in Dawn. This one was super, super popular. We were able to get this one. We got more of the cute little snakes. And then we have this downtown bag here that we did in the dusk version of the large floral, and we got that back in as well. So we've got that one. We got more of the cute little owls, more snakes. So for anybody that, maybe missed out the first time on getting some of this gorgeous line, you can come back in, and we got more, so we were very excited. We were very excited about these too. We love these bags. The project bags here, we got the large one. This one is 18 by 13, and it kind of goes along with the Kabloom fabric there. And then we also got in the smaller version here. This one is 10 by 14. And this one has the dragonfly design on here with that deco print on the back. So those are super fun. I love keeping my projects in here, especially once I cut out the pieces for the quilt or whatever project I'm working on. It's great to then put them in the project bag so you don't lose the pieces, and you can keep everything together. So these are very handy.
There we go.
Okay, and we're gonna slide right on over here. We have, this is the most adorable line. This is part of the Guess How Much I Love You sort of brand. They have the books that they write, and we have the fabric. This is all flannel, so it is so soft and lovely. And it comes in 4 different colorways of the bunnies on the moon, and then 3 different star colorways. So we've got it in the blue, the multi, and the pink. So these are so unbelievably soft. They're just lovely, lovely fabrics, and they would be super cute for maybe like a receiving blanket or something, a little nursery blanket. Be absolutely adorable. Now I know it's, you may not want to be thinking about this right now, as we're not over with Christmas, but when you're making projects, you need to give yourself as much time as possible. So we have brought out a Valentine's line. This is XOXO by Clothworks. It has a really cute color scheme. I like how they added that little pop of blue, and then it's got your pinks and reds as well. But it has this adorable little truck fabric. You've got the trucks and the cars and the bicycles, the cute little balloons. You've even got the adorable little puppies. So a lot to like about this line. I like how they excuse me, gave you lots of different options for the blender. So these cute little XOs and the plaids and the hearts and this gorgeous floral as well. So if you want to start, maybe, I know a lot of people love doing the fabric cards around Valentine's Day as like the little Valentines. This would be an adorable line to do that with. And if you start now, you're not going to be stressed when it comes, close to Valentine's Day. So next up here, we have all of our holiday floral through here. Now the panels here, we have some more holiday panels. This one is the cute little polar bears. This line is pretty adorable. We still have some of the panels and some of the little things up here. We've got this quilt that we did out of Tula Pink's line last year, the Holiday Homies. And we did it in the Kalinda pattern, which is one of our favorites. It's one of the little postcard patterns. It's only like, a little guy. But this quilt goes together really quickly and it's pretty adorable. So we've got that fabric. We've got our rag quilt that we always have here. More adorable panels. Little snowman guy. And all the rest through here. We're kind of in the process of moving this area around a little bit. We just brought out a lot of new shot cottons. So all of this, we've got this like beautiful rainbow of shot cottons. We have more of the artisan solids here. And we also just got in a brand new Moda shot cotton line. They call it cross weave. So you can see the beautiful sort of blend of the 2 colors in there. So these ones are really, really gorgeous and they feel amazing as well. So we are excited to work with that. I pulled this pattern for the scissors and spools because I think this fabric in this sort of like 2-tone design would be absolutely amazing in this quilt. So leave that there. You can kind of imagine what it would look like. Okay, and then we'll move on into kids. We have a couple new kids lines. The first one here is Reach for the Stars by Wilmington Prints. So it sort of starts with sort of the light grays, and it has the really soft yellows and blues into the more navy. And we have some pre-cuts for it as well. And it also has a border print, which is pretty cool. It's upside down here. So you can do lots of stuff with that. And it also has a really adorable panel as well. And we do have quite a few patterns and books to go along with the sort of, if you're doing like a baby quilt or a kid's quilt, we have some really nice patterns and pattern books for this stuff that we've got here. In addition to that line, we've also got this one right here. This one is Dino Glow by Lewis and Irene. This one is really fun because it's actually glow in the dark. So all of the white that you see in these ones would be glow in the dark, which I can imagine any kid that's into dinosaurs would just like go crazy for the fact that it's dinosaurs and also glow in the dark. That'd be so much fun for them. So we're excited about that line as well. That's what we have for kids today. So I'm just gonna kind of work my way through here. I wanted to highlight the songbook fabric again because we still have some of this stuff. It's got that really cool sort of word art there. And the wonderful sort of, it's got some florals, some leaves, and some more like script fabric in there. So we do still have some of this line. Okay, and I'll just come through the florals here so we can make our way back to the ocean stuff. We just got a brand new sort of ocean beach themed fabric. It's called By the Sea. It's by Paintbrush Fabrics. Really nice color scheme they've got here with a really sort of simple, minimal look to it. Sort of that tan and blue look. It's really, really nice. So then we'll work our way back up front here. We do still have some of our machine sales going on, but they are ending soon. So if you're still interested or looking for the special sewing machine as a gift or anything, give us a call and we can tell you like what sales are still going on and what we can do to make that special for you. Okay, which brings us back up to the counter. This is a Color Wash by Wyndham Fabrics. It's a really cool kind of tone-on-tone design, but it's got a little bit more of like a modern element to it with the sort of brush strokes and line work that they do in some of the prints here. I like that they kind of give you two options. One is more of like the tone-on-tone, more of a texture, and one is kind of more of that sort of, you've got the line work in there. And then we've got some neutrals for this one as well. And that kind of brings us to the end of our fabric tour. Just a quick reminder that we are still accepting pillowcase donations. So if you have any, fabric lying around and you want to throw together a pillowcase to donate, this is a great thing to do this season. We would really appreciate any donations that we can get. We are also doing our gift card sale starting today. So if you want to pop by and pick up one of those, it's for every $100 you spend, you get $20. So, and that goes up to $500. So if you want to pop by, definitely come sooner rather than later so you can get your shopping done. So yeah, I think that brings us to the end here. So thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next week.